And a local mom is sharing her story and hopes the restrictions on elective surgeries here in Ohio will soon be lifted for those whose needs are becoming urgent. Medical reporter Liz Bonus explains why.
So it looks like, are you wearing a brace still?
I am, yep. See, I have to wear it.
Wow.
24/7.
By Facebook Messenger, Amanda Schneider told me for most of her life, simple activities like this were painful due to a diagnosis of rheumatoid arthritis.
I had systemic rheumatoid arthritis, so I had it in every joint in my body, which due to that caused me to have my right hip replaced when I was 14.
That's now been redone with a second right hip surgery, and
it's ruined my shoulders. I've had both my shoulders replaced. See my battle scars there.
wow.
And just recently had to get my left hip replaced.
She said that surgery went well.
Then one day when my restrictions were lifted, just doing my normal thing, put laundry in a laundry basket, and it dislocated. I was home alone with my kids. So that was pretty scary.
Since then, she's been put in almost a full body brace to hopefully keep it from happening again.
But it's very painful and uncomfortable.
The problem is that Ohio right now is not open for surgeries that may require an overnight stay. So Amanda is speaking up for those who Dr. Jonathan Slaughter says may need special medical consideration. He is not Amanda's surgeon.
It's tough to do in a time like this, but there are times when people go from a more elective procedure into a semi-urgent. Anytime it can start to affect long-term outcomes that can prevent long-term good outcomes or expected results, that's when it can start to become a semi-urgent matter.
Dr. Slaughter says if this applies to you, reach out to your own medical team. Amanda says she's done that and is hoping, as we are, to hear more as restrictions lift very soon. Liz Bonus, Local 12 News.
And through a spokesperson today, Amanda's surgery team said that they are looking into her particular case. We will continue to update you on her progress as we hear back from them.